In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a safety check in Google Chrome. If you want to make sure your browser is helping protect your personal information, this is a quick and useful feature to know about. Google Chrome includes a built-in safety check tool that reviews a few important security settings and lets you know if anything needs your attention. It can help you spot issues like weak saved passwords and other security-related warnings, all in one place. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the main menu without any delay. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you'll find a variety of browser options and settings. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to the main Chrome settings page, where you can manage everything from appearance to privacy and security. On the left-hand side, find and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the tools and controls that help keep your browsing experience safer and more private. Once you're in Privacy and Security, look for the Safety Check area and click Check Now. Chrome will begin scanning a few key security items for you. This process usually only takes a moment. While it runs, Chrome checks whether there are any important issues you should know about, including warnings related to saved passwords. After the check finishes, Chrome will show you information about what it found. For example, it may tell you that one of your saved passwords is weak. A weak password means it may be too easy to guess, and that can put your accounts at greater risk. If you see a warning like that, it's a good idea to review it and consider updating that password to something stronger and more secure. This tool is helpful because it gives you a simple overview of Chrome's security recommendations without requiring you to search through multiple menus. It's a good habit to run a safety check regularly, especially if you save passwords in your browser or use Chrome often for personal accounts. And that's how to run a safety check in Google Chrome. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks and can give you valuable information about your browser security.